It is finally microneedling day. I just spent the last 7 days. I showed you guys what I did to prep for today. I am prone to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation and pigmentation in general. So don't forget, I have it in videos. All this stuff is linked in my showcase. I started with azelaic acid in the morning and my arbutin TXA cream, both affordable, morning, nighttime, no retinols, no harsh exfoliants, just kept gentle cleansing. Those products, lots of sunscreen, and I did this, I do it every day, but I'm telling you guys, if you're prone to PIH, to do this for a full 7 days prior to a microneedling treatment. You're gonna skip 3 days afterwards, and then you're gonna start up again for another 7 days. Lots of sunscreen always. You can keep the routine going or you can stop at that point. For my clients, I have them on those 2 products always and forever. Please note this, I am not joking. I will absolutely never recommend a product that I don't 100% believe in, that I have not spent my own money on, and I haven't been trying for months and months to at least several years. I respect your dollar, I respect my dollar, and let's go forward. You can now find me on the site that sounds like Bumble. You know what I'm saying? Some of my videos have been flagged and I want to continue to give you guys good content. So please follow me there. It will be Veronica. So I hope to see you over there. And there it is the Wild West. I can do whatever we want. I can show it all. So hopefully you'll follow me over there. Okay, let's get back. I double cleansed. I did numbing for 30 minutes. You can add plastic if you want to speed that up and increase the penetration. So today, my dogs are gonna bark. Today I'm gonna start with 0.75 in the areas where I have a ton of pigmentation. I don't go super aggressive on my skin. Here's a couple things that I do personally. You want to avoid any area where you have a blemish. I have one right here. I have a tiny little cut right here on my nose, but I'm not doing my nose anyway. If you've ever gotten a cold sore, fever blister, sun blister, whatever you want to call it, I promise you want to avoid very much around your lips. Not just your lips, but like around them as well. I learned that the very hard way. So I really won't do much in this whole area except like right down here, and this is where I need the collagen boost. So I will be using, here it is, the Curenex Rejuvenation, and I have a little extra brightening. It's from Juvie Eyes. I'm gonna use that actually in just these areas. You wanna make sure you're using something that's sterile. This comes in a 5-pack. It's $100, but you get 5 treatments out of it. So today I'm gonna do my face. I'll speed it through. I'll show you the after. Aftercare is just a gentle cleanse and nothing. I mean, if you wanna put on a little like barrier cream for sleeping, and then tomorrow I won't wear any makeup. I will just wear sunscreen, and then you can kind of get back to reality day 2 and 3, see how it goes. I don't do aggressive on myself. Another thing you can do, I like things that are individually packed. I know you can use hyaluronic acid. I see a lot of people on here using bottles of stuff. Bacteria can get in there. Really, you're breaking the skin. You really need to be careful. When it comes to DIY stuff, I am an esthetician almost 15 years, but I do my own stuff obviously, but everything is clean, just like I'm doing it in the salon. All right, so perfect. This is great. The reason I like this one, and I am going to link this one, it is the Real Dr. Pen, is the backflow. I had the A6, but to be honest with you, I love this one. It's like lighter weight, and I just like the way it feels better. I like the speeds, but I like the cartridges have the backflow, just so much better for preventing bacteria. That's my 2 cents on that. And by the way, the cost of one of these is less than one treatment in the salon. So it pays for itself. That's girl math. Anyway, I will do this, and I do this about once a month, and then twice a month. You could do it every week in between that, and then I'll do nano needling under my eyes. And then you can nano needle anything into your face once a week, but I do 0.75. My forehead, we'll see, I might go 0.5. If I can handle 1, I will do it just in these areas where I have a lot of pigmentation, and here where I need a lot of collagen in these areas. That's where I tend to get wrinkly, and I just don't love the way my skin looks. What are you gonna do? At 54, it's a battle. Okay, I am going to start adding some serums and start this process. Okay. Some people don't like, there we go. I just wanted to get it. I'll go too fast. All right. I'm not gonna bore you with this whole entire process. Although on the other channel, I might just take you through every single thing I've done on this channel over again, but like the full, you guys keep asking me in the comments, I wanna see you do the full treatment, and it's really difficult here because I already got a violation, which just means I'm cool. Anyway, all right, I will come back. Now, some people do this, they swear about the tapping. Some do circles. I kind of like to do a grid. I'll go up and down, and then I'll go side to side, and then sometimes I'll even do like a diagonal. That's this is gonna take me a little bit. So I'm gonna do all this, I'll come back. All right, I'm all done. My kids are always like, what are you doing? Anyway, okay, so like I said, I gave you the aftercare instructions. I am just going to let this all soak in. I am going to be doing this mask on top now for about 20 minutes. I'll remove that, and then I'm going to do a red light mask for 20 minutes. Again, everything is linked in my showcase, and see you next time. Oh, next time I'll do nano needling, neck, chest, and eyes, lip, that stuff. Okay.